The 2021 Chevrolet Express is an optimal cargo vehicle choice that gets the job done. Introduction to the 2021 model of the Chevrolet Express. Chevrolet has figured out a way to produce a powerful and capable rolling cargo vehicle with the 2021 version of the Chevrolet Express. For more than 2 decades, Chevrolet has found innovative ways to enhance the design of this vehicle so that it can be a great choice for drivers that need large amounts of storage space. The cargo model for this vehicle is extremely popular among small business owners because it is affordable and effective. Chevrolet heavily recommends the 2021 version of the Chevrolet Express for contractors, plumbers, and electricians. The internal cargo space provides several of the imperative features that these types of workers can use for their benefit. In terms of vehicle performance, the 2021 model of the Chevrolet Express should be a step forward from previous generations. The new Express cargo models for the Chevrolet Express are projected to be able to hold somewhere between 3,500 pounds and 4,500 pounds of cargo. Every time that a new model of the Chevrolet Express comes out available for purchase to the public, a large number of people get very excited to learn more about the new version of the design. Users are particularly excited about the larger storage space and the consistent increase in performance across all vehicle categories. Customers can choose slightly different variations of the vehicle, selecting either cargo space or additional seating. The passenger and express cargo variations can serve different purposes and are expected to return with the Chevrolet Express. Unfortunately, many users are not expecting a major increase in fuel efficiency. The Chevrolet Express is expected to average at approximately 15 miles per gallon. While this isn't very good when compared to traditional vehicles, it isn't too bad for large-sized cargo vehicles. Many people believe that this heavy-duty workhorse of a vehicle will return to be an industry leader in the cargo vehicle world. While fuel efficiency and vehicle performance are not prioritized at the forefront of the industry by any means, there are very few vehicles out there that can provide you with a large amount of storage space and still inherit some impressive performance characteristics. There is a lot of excitement building for the Chevrolet Express from users. Potential customers are already wondering what new benefits and features might exist in the next version of the vehicle model. There are many possibilities regarding the Chevrolet Express, but some of the most reputable web sources claim that the new model of this vehicle will be equipped with several performance features that have not been seen in previous years. Potential customers can also prepare for a starting price of around $31,999. This is a reasonable estimate for some of the new features that expected to be placed in the 2021 model of the vehicle. The Ford Transit van is one of the primary competitors to the Chevrolet Express. While they are similar in price, the Ford Transit van does cost a little bit more. The Ford Transit van also gets superior fuel mileage than the Chevrolet Express. On the other hand, it is widely accepted that the Chevrolet Express has far more cargo space and seating room than most other traditional cargo vans that are listed on the vehicle market. Safety. The Chevrolet Express is safe and efficient for what it is designed to do. Many drivers should not fear about the safety concerns because this vehicle is safer than many other options on the market. Fuel economy. The Chevrolet Express is capable of averaging somewhere between 14 and 17 miles per gallon, depending on the circumstances. This is relatively respectable for the size and shape of the vehicle. Interior. The interior of the all-new Chevrolet Express is nice and cozy. There is plenty of room for comfort, and there are several convenient features on the dashboard that will make your life a whole lot easier. External look. The external look for the Chevrolet Express is sort of what you would expect from a cargo delivery van. While it isn't the nicest looking thing that you will find out on the road, it will be a perfect vehicle choice for small business owners that need a lot of storage space for their cargo. Driving comfort. The Chevrolet Express is a workhorse and bumpy roads aren't going to stop this vehicle from getting the job done. In terms of comfort, you can expect a relatively smooth ride when driving.